So now let's learn how to connect your email account and send emails in Zapify.io. So first let's go to settings and click the email services. So here there's so you can choose between the connecting via SMTP, Gmail or Outlook. So here and follow the prompts to authenticate and verify your email address. So once connected, your outgoing outgoing emails will be sent from your connected account.